Hello and namaskar viewers, I am Sanjeev Pandya welcoming you to the Tax Time Show, a show which gets you latest information when it comes to taxes, whether personal taxes or corporate taxes, any changes, any updates from IRS, Internal Revenue Services or Department of Treasury and whatever is related to taxes. We get the update here courtesy of Mr. AJ Kumar, CPA and MBA with Size CPA Services, a full-fledged accounting firm located right here in the state of New Jersey. Mr. AJ Kumar is with us. Sir, welcome to the show. How are you?
I'm doing great, Sanjeevji. Thank you.
Very good. You're doing great. That means, we all are doing great and our viewers must be doing great because all the updates that you give out every week in this show, we appreciate it.
Oh, absolutely. It's my pleasure.
Okay. To have you in the show, it's never a loss. It's always it's always a profit.
It's always a profit. And
It's
that
always
gives
a
you the
profit.
hint.
Huh?
That gives you the hint about today's show topic.
Oh, really? You got the hint? He's a smart man. He got the hint. Very good. I like that. Because, viewers, I am serious. When I say that to have AJ Kumar in this show, it's always a profit because even if it's a losses or anything like that in your tax return, he will make sure that the loss is minimized. जो loss है जिसको नहीं निकाल सकते, but it can be reduced. So if you have got my hint, because he got the hint, in today's episode we're going to talk about various business losses. There are businesses out there, they incur losses and there are different losses. Loss is a one word, but there are different categories when it comes to business losses. So Mr. AJ Kumar will update us regarding all the different losses.
So it's one of those things, Sanjeevji. You cannot control the loss. The next best thing you can do is to make your loss tax deductible.
Exactly.
Now you can get some benefit out of it.
Tax deductible.
Absolutely.
Oh, मुझे लगा कि आप बात करोगे to minimize the loss.
Well, that's of course.
That's
you want to minimize the loss,
Ji.
but once you get to a point, it is what it is. You cannot minimize your losses any further. Then let's find a way to make it tax deductible.
I like that. I like that. Very good. It's going to be interesting. Good. So let's begin from net operating losses.
Absolutely. So net operating loss is one type of loss that we have in IRS books. There are separate losses and tax treatment for each type of loss is very different. Talking about net operating losses. Net operating losses by definition is for corporations or for individuals when your losses, your deductions are higher than your income. Consider a corporation. Now your income is, let's say $100 in our example, and your expenses are $200. Then what happens? Let's say if you are making $100, IRS is happy to tax 21%. But IRS is not going to give back 21% to you just because you lost the money. So in these examples, in these situations when your expenses are higher than your income, you create is called net operating loss. This net operating loss can be carried forward to as long as you want, indefinitely. Under the CARES Act, we want to point out to our viewers, Sanjeevji, under the CARES Act, which happened last couple of months ago under the COVID-19 situation, government made a special rule that you can carry back your NOLs for 5 years. If you had some losses, let's say in 2018, and you have been paying taxes on the income that you had, you can refile your taxes now to carry back your losses. Let's say a lot of businesses are expected to lose money in 2020 during the Corona-19 situation. Now with this rule, you can take these losses. Ideally, what used to happen, if you can't use your losses in this year, you can take it forward. You can use it in 2021, 2022. Until you use up the losses, you can carry them forward. In the new rule under the CARES Act, if you have losses in 2020, please remember you can take them backwards for last 5 years. So if you have paid taxes in 17, 18, 19, you can use the losses for 2020 to refile those taxes and get the money back that you paid to IRS.
That's interesting. And that is for the all kind of corporation or certain C corporation, S corporation?
Well, when we say corporation, unless we mention it, we refer it as a C corporation. And the same principle applies to the individuals. Let's say you have some W-2 income and you have some S-corp losses and some LLC losses coming from there. At the end of the day, your business did not make money under the Corona-19 situation. Now you have a situation where your income is much lower than the losses that you have through flow-through entity, LLC, S-corp. In these cases, you have the right to take those losses forward, but under the CARES Act, you have the right to take these losses backward for 5 years.
Okay, that's something good to know. With that note, we're going to take a break, and then after the break, when we come back, net operating loss is a one thing we started, but we have capital loss to talk about, we have gambling loss to talk about, and there are many other losses to talk about in this episode, so please don't go anywhere. We'll be right back after these messages.